I go on dates with my co-actresses to work with Shah Rukh Khan sir. A biggest fantasy. क्या करूँ मैंने क्या किया सीधा बालकनी में जाके सुसु कर दिया. Hi guys, this is Sai Ketan Rao here and you're watching me on Crazy for TV.
Okay, Sai, so we have a quick segment for you which is called Spicy Secrets. आपने कहा कि आप बहुत इंट्रोवर्ट हैं, तो ये स्पाइस के लिए आप रेडी हैं, जवाब दे पाएंगे?
चलो कोशिश करता हूँ.
Okay, what's the most outrageous or embarrassing thing you've done for a role?
I have not done any outrageous or embarrassing things, तो मैंने ऐसा कुछ किया नहीं है. No, I don't remember ऐसा कुछ embarrassing या what do you say casting couch stuff. मैंने ऐसा कुछ किया नहीं है.
Okay, craziest rumor you've heard about yourself?
That हाँ, there are a lot of rumors कि that I go on dates with my co-actresses with whom I work. No, not at all. I just do my job. उनके साथ में shoot करता हूँ और घर वापस आता हूँ. That's it.
Have you ever had a crush on your co-star?
Yeah. Don't ask me to mention it now.
Okay, any particular scene or character trait you'd love to see your character explore?
I think in all the genres I'm open and I think people love my intense roles a lot. So I think I would love to explore more of intense roles.
Your biggest oops moment in life?
Oops means I didn't get that. What is oops moment?
कोई awkward moment कभी मतलब on camera कुछ बोलना कुछ है निकल कुछ और गया या गिर गए या malfunction something like that.
हाँ कभी कभी वो फंबल वगैरह होता रहता बट ऐसा कुछ उप्स मोमेंट इतना बड़ा है नहीं मेरे इसमें.
Okay, your biggest fantasy?
My biggest fantasy, I think to work with Shah Rukh Khan sir. A biggest fantasy.
Okay, what is Sai Ketan Rao's hidden talent?
Biting nails.
Sorry?
Biting nails.
And what is your toxic trait?
Toxic trait. I forget a lot of things. अगर मैं किसी को कुछ बोलता हूँ and then I forget कि मतलब 2 दिन के बाद तुम मुझे पूछोगे तो कौन क्या था वो क्या कुछ बोला. I forget. मुझे वापस याद दिलाना पड़ेगा वो.
If you could swap lives with someone, who would it be and why?
Life with someone. I think I'm happy with my life. I don't want to swap because इंसान कितना भी सक्सेसफुल हो उसके प्रॉब्लम्स खुद के होते हैं. बड़े बड़े प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. So I don't want to face those problems. I'm happy with my own problems. Okay,
weirdest place that you've peed?
Okay, fine. So this was in 6th class and my mom dad they used to work and मैं घर पे अकेले था. तो it's a big house, it's a big 2 BHK house and तो मुझे डर लगता है कि अकेले मैं वॉशरूम जाऊँ. और मुझे वॉशरूम आ रही थी, सुसु आ रही थी. एंड क्या करूँ मैंने क्या किया सीधा बालकनी में जाके सुसु कर दिया. एंड इट फेल फ्रॉम द 6th floor. एंड दिस हैपेंड इन 6th class. ओके, डोंट जज मी नाउ. ये 6th class के टाइम पर हुआ था.
Okay, last. What crime would you commit if there were no consequences?
What crime I would commit if there were no consequences? I think to go and forge documents and हर किसी एग्रीमेंट में अपना नाम डाल दो कि साई केतन रॉय signed for this role, साई केतन रॉय signed for this role, साई केतन रॉय signed for this role. This is what I'm going to do.